Hello, bonjour! I was told not to do this video, but I will do it anyway. I want to talk about the best gouache channels here on YouTube. I love gouache and my mission is to spread the love about gouache. This is the best medium. Am I biased? Maybe a little bit. I follow some other channels on YouTube, obviously, and believe me, it's quite difficult to find people that do only gouache or mainly gouache. A lot of people are having one or two videos about gouache, but they are not specialized in it. And I want to share it with you, my favorite gouache channels for 2023. There is no specific order, not my fave or not the number of subscribers or views. It's just randomly what I prefer when I'm looking for gouache videos on YouTube. First channel I want to talk about is Sarah Burns. I love the way she's filming her videos. It's really well produced with drone views, with a lot of outdoors. She's living in Scotland, I think, and she is specialized in painting the nature. And she's painting beautifully with gouache. She has a lot of useful tips and also vlog videos. I'm not fond of vlog videos, but hers are quite enjoyable to watch. She's great if you love plein air painting, if you love outdoors, painting the nature, the forest, the skies, the beach, whatever. This is a channel for you. The second one is Hamrimp Art. I hope I'm saying it correctly. She's painting with gouache, mainly a bit of with watercolor as well, and she's doing a lot of portraits, and especially she's sketching in her sketchbook with very detailed sketches with shadows and a lot of marks, and sometimes it's even with a pen. And she's painting with gouache on top of it. Well, I admire this because I am making minimal sketches under my gouache painting because I feel I don't need a ton of information to paint. But here she has a ton of information before painting. So she has mainly time-lapses paint with me style videos. Of course, I have to talk about James Gurney. He's a master as, I would say, urban sketching with gouache. He's painting mainly in the cities or directly from his car or just outside with a little easel that he made himself. And he has a ton of videos of painting the mundane, painting inside a cafe, painting a parking lot while waiting for his wife, making the grocery. It's enjoyable to watch and full of tips. So if you like urban sketching and painting on site, this one is for you. Another one is Lena Rivo. She is a master of light. Her color palette is really insane and she can convey the light in the sky, in the beach, on peoples, on animals. She's really great. I love her style. She's a Russian living in Portugal and the light there is really insane and she really is the best for light. On her channel you'll find short time lapses and you can just enjoy it, but I'm not sure you can learn how to do it just by watching her channel. Visual Mind, this one is specialized in sketchbook ideas. She's using gouache as well as watercolor and a lot of other mediums. And she has a lot of beginner ideas, I would say. So if you are just beginning with gouache and you want to fill a sketchbook easily, this one is really for you. This one I won't dare to name it because I'm really not sure to do it correctly. But you have the name here on the screen. She's having a lot of gouache, a fresh palette, cute colors, a lot of Ghibli style. It's an aesthetic I like, and she has a lot of time lapses, paint with me video style. Another one I won't dare to say the name. You have it on the screen. And she's using a lot of gouache, a bit of watercolor too, and she has very detailed painting from Ghibli Studios. It's well filmed, the music is very nice to hear, it's very relaxing videos. She uses Himi gouache, which is amazing. considering the amount of details she has in her paintings. I can't achieve the same level of painting with Hamrimp gouache because, I don't like it very much. So it's not suitable if you want to learn how to paint, but it's very relaxing videos to watch if you enjoy the Ghibli style, of course. And if you like landscapes, you will like this one from Jess Chung. She has a lot of tutorials about landscapes with gouache, and she uses also a lot of Hamrimp, which is also amazing because she achieves nice gradients with Hamrimp, something I can't do. And of course, I have to mention my own channel. If you just found this video by looking on YouTube, in my channel you will find technical videos about gouache tips, also tutorials and paint with me style videos, and maybe some new things this year because I want to expand a bit outside of gouache because I'm not using only gouache, I also paint with different mediums. I'm not saying that these are all the gouache channels on YouTube, but these are the ones I watch. These are the ones I prefer. But if you have one that I have not listed here that you like as well, please let us know in comments so we can all see those gouache channels and share the love of gouache. So see you next week for a gouache challenge.